One way to make new connections with people from your industry is to join a LinkedIn group. They're a great way to exchange ideas, catch up on industry developments, and make new connections. You can find groups in a couple of different ways. First, you can click My Network, then select Groups in the Recommended for You section. LinkedIn will give you numerous groups it thinks you may like, based on your profile and professional interests. You can also find groups by using the search box at the top of the screen. Just type your search term and press Enter. Then click More and select Groups. We recommend keeping your search fairly general at first, then narrowing it down as you learn what's available. If you see a group you're interested in, click the title to learn more. If you want to be a part of a group, click Request to Join. The owner of the group will then decide whether to let you join. While many groups accept almost anyone who shows an interest, some may be more exclusive, depending on your professional background and connections.